Hello everyone, it's me Jane. I am back again with another Cook Unity review. Tonight is 12:30 a.m. I should be asleep, but I am starving. And I was just happening to talk to my friend on the phone who lives really far away from here. And we started talking about food shaming. I was talking about how all these guys in my life have always food shamed me, and it's such baloney. I won't say all, but a lot of guys have food shamed me. Like, are you going to eat all of that? Do you really need 2 McDoubles? Extra cheese? Somebody's gonna think you're fat. Totally rude. Don't do that to people. And whoever you are, whether you're a guy or a girl, make sure that you eat whatever you want to. You need to nourish yourself and you deserve food. Even right now, I tried to talk myself out of eating because it's 12:30 a.m. and there's no reason I should be eating a meal right now, but I am hungry. So it's a good reason to eat a meal, right? Anyway, let's try it out. It says it's spicy ground pork noodles by Nora Nolasco. Right now, I'm going to give it a shot. It has kind of a ground pork situation going on here, and I think it's like a peanut sauce. It smells like a peanut sauce. Hey! I just noticed that these noodles are made of rice. I think that's why I like the noodles that they have in these kits, because they're made of rice instead of wheat. I didn't know this was gluten-free. Big win. Like the ramen, this is like practically the same noodles. I'm going to give these noodles a 10. They couldn't be better for noodles. And the sauce and the ground beef are kind of one, or I guess it's ground pork. They're all kind of one situation in here. I am going to give that a 6 for a total of 16. I think this dish really needs some like snipped up green onions and some more like fresh flavors on top. It's kind of like a one note situation, but nevertheless, it's good. I'm enjoying it. It'll probably take me 2 days to eat all of this. I can't foresee being able to eat all of this in one sitting at any time of the day, but especially not at 12:30 in the morning. It was good. It's good. All right, so an overall score of 8 for this entree. This makes it my third best favorite. But what's notable here is that I think I actually like the regular entrees better than the premium entrees most of the time. Good to know. Thank you again and have a good one. Bye.